Records. You know, as far as the back end go, everything was paid. Young and Meek came to the club. She said the club wasn't packed enough, the venue wasn't packed enough. We paid her the full amount, the full back end. Nothing was cut short on anyway. I told her to be on her way to the club. I got the text messages to prove everything. She said she talked to someone else and they told her not to come. I don't know, but as far as our end go, she was supposed to be there. The after party was supposed to be at V-Live. Young and May had a nasty attitude the whole goddamn time. It took me 3 weeks to get the drop from Young and May. Young and May have a fucking attitude problem. I called her about my back end because she didn't show. She ran to the goddamn airport with her manager, her management team. They stopped answering the phone. She did a whole nother concert the next day that she promoted that she wasn't supposed to do, and I want my motherfucking money in me. You hear me? Me and my team, me and Ting Dog Records, want our motherfucking money. This Wednesday, I want my motherfucking...
Everybody in the back, everybody in the middle, everybody in the front. Where your phone at? Where's your phone? Hello? Where's your phone? Hello? Why's your phone not up? Does this look like the time for your phone not to be out? No. If you in the front, you better have your fucking phone out or you going to the back. Where's your phone at? Where's your phone?
Up top, let's get a little more phone.
Where's your phone? You better pretend. You better pretend like that shit is out. Where's your phone? You been touching on me all night. Where's your phone? Where that phone at, man? No, you're not coming up here. Where's your phone? She ain't got no phone. Why she ain't got no phone? Where's your phone? You gotta get down. Yo, she gotta get out of here. Who up next?
I'm dropping something into this week too. You ready? Boss.